Hello you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Siwa now, and if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. If you are a returning subby, thank you so much for tuning in once again, and hope you guys enjoy this one. This is a mini life update. I don't know why I called it mini. I think I'm just being extra. I'm gonna slow it. But if this is your first time on my channel, I cover, well, you can see the other videos what I cover, but this video specifically is a life update. Just a brief thing about me. I'm 22. I live in the United States. I'm originally South African, and a lot of other information I'd like to withhold for now. But a lot of changes have been going on. If you guys have been here before, or if you know me, or you just go and check me out, a lot of changes have went down. I just got a new place. I changed my jobs, and I'm gonna show you guys a sneak peek of the place since I just told you I moved. I remember we enjoyed the last apartment tour, and I hope you guys enjoy the next one coming up, but this is not exactly an apartment tour. I'm still working on a lot of things in this place, and I'm busy doing my hair. This is why it's like this, and I love the snatch, like if you can see it. And I used this edge control. This is edge control and it's Vogue. I love it. My hairdresser recommended it to me, and I'm gonna try put some hair extensions on my own hair just because it's easier to maintain it during the week, if people understand. But while Han is here, I might as well just show you guys a little bit of like what's going on. So excited. And while I show you guys a little bit of my new space, as much as I'm gonna be able to show you right now, because that's how I feel like all I feel like showing you, I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit more about what's up. But then yeah, I haven't done this in a minute. You can obviously tell. I think my last vlog was when we went to Miami, and yeah, from there it was just like, oh, there's so much crap to deal with. And I know I'm extra, but I'm not extra, but you guys get it, you know. You get it. If you don't get it, just forget about it. I'm so overusing that shit right now, and I put it anywhere where I just feel like, yep, I'll put it in there. Okay, let's show you guys, starting with my bathroom, which is my favorite right now. Like, let's see how we did at the back. Oh my gosh, I'm actually really improving. Mind you, I'm not seeing the back when I do it. I'm really improving. I don't know how to even do, like, I'm a go to so you guys can just imagine. This is just like a big achievement for me. This is my second time trying to do my own hair, and let me just say, I'm not doing that horrible. And I have this chair right now, that's why it's blocking my way, and I'm using my gimbal, so it's just like acting funny. Give me a second. I hope my gimbal behaves from now on, because it was really acting funny. Like, I mean, really funny. Don't I look cute though? Hi you guys, it's been a second. Please subscribe to my channel, by the way. Like, because I got content coming up. Like, seriously, I'm so at a happier space, like more chill. Just look at this. How can I not create content when this is my space, this is my environment, this is like what I'm surrounding myself with right now? So happy. Peace in your home, in your heart, in the world. It just adds up. Okay, that's a bit messy just because I use that and leave it like that. That's the one place I'm like, you can be like that. It's okay. It's realistic. Leave me alone. I don't like being realistic, by the way, if you know me. And then I'm gonna have this taken away maybe soon. As soon as I get a nice set of piece that's gonna be like maybe a curvy African lady that I can see, that I'd love. And then this is my candle. You guys already know it if you saw my last apartment. I still have it. I still love it, and I still use vanilla on it, but I probably should switch it up. It just works so perfectly. Okay, I lit this up when I started doing my hair. Now that oil was stuck, but it says bless her, and this is my toilet. Obviously you guys don't want to see my toilet, but just for the sake of the tour, here's my extra rolls, my rolls, and then okay, so I was doing my hair as I'm still working on it. This is halfway done. I will put this away. I have my hair bin here, so it works very well for me. I won't need these much combs for the next part. I need a few more things, but I'll take them out. Definitely still need this stuff. I just want to take the stuff I don't need to show you guys a proper view. Oh, and I'll definitely need more conditioner. because while my hair is puffy, right, like because it's such a fro, so I'll use conditioner to flatten it instead of edge control. I'll use a little bit of spray and conditioner and some oil in between the lines, which I already oiled it, but I'll oil it some more. I really love oil because my hair is super dry. But guys, look at this. This is such a love it. Oh, I love this. This is such a fave. Like, I love this part. And I just have my sprays here that I commonly use in my perfume. And then I have my face washes that I use mostly at night. I have the morning ones, and then yeah, just at night I normally want to use those. In the morning I want to use the stuff that's up there. And then this is my first time trying out Clean and Clear. I'm normally a girl who uses Clear Proof from what are they, Michael what, you know, Mickey what. But now, and then I got these, and I'm about to start using them. Actually, my friend Nicole gave me these, and I never used them because they were so far. Now that's why I put them up here so I can use them. They're for my skin, hair, and nails. Especially since I chew on my nails, I just think it's necessary for me to eat these vitamins. And my skin, whenever I have a little bit of stress, I break out. I've realized that since I started working on my skin, it's very nice and clear. But when I break out, it's just like, it's stress. So I'll just try balance it out with some vitamins, and then I have hair, which is fine. I can take hair meds. And then these are for my vitamin D for teeth, because my teeth always act up. So now I started to just get like vitamins for teeth too. And then whatever else is there is just there. And then obviously this is hand wash and lotion, because I hate it when I wash my hands and then I can't use lotion. That's why I always have like a dozen lotions. And then these are my gutters, my hair ties, because every girl always needs an extra. I have a bunch of blacks, and then I just put the colorful small ones in here for my hairstyle. And then these are my face cottons, which I haven't been using because I still have a pack to finish up. And after I finish up that pack, I will start using those. I know it's more convenient for me to just use those, but no. And then this is my space down here. I just have things. This is all the lotions on the let's sneak peek into my room, which is still work in progress. This is donation stuff, still working on a lot on here. And then this is still my table, if you guys remember it, but this time it's just like in the corner with nothing else. And I'm still gonna get like stuff to put in that vase. I wanted to put it outside, but now I think I want to keep it in my room. I don't know, I'll see. I like it there, honestly. I still have a mat in here, a fluffy one. I want a fluffy gray one maybe. And then that's the hair stuff I'm about to use. Let's take that. And then that's gonna go up the wall, and I'm gonna get a comfy big chair in here. My bed is not that cute right now, obviously, because I don't know why, but it's just not, it didn't work out, but whatever. I think I need more pillows on it, like the 2 pillows, because I doubled up on these. And then this is still my favorite piece of the room. It says grow through what you go through. It's still my favorite because it really means a lot to me after everything. And then my teddies have, the babies have been banned from the bed. I decided I'm too big for them to sleep with me now, and they're bigger now, so they can just, so yeah, my phone decided to act up. But like I was saying, they got big for the bed now. I'm probably gonna get them more company friends now that I have more space for them. And I want a bench, a comfortable one there that I can still sit on and chill if I don't want to sit on my bed, or I have like extra people in here, you know, my girls. And then the blinds are due to be changed during this week. We just put in a request for that, so they're gonna come in and put in the new ones, because this really bugs me. Like, I don't know what happened with the last person who was staying here, but whatever. This one is fine, but they'll still switch it up because it's just policy. If they change one, they change them all. That one is fine, but it doesn't want to close, so they're gonna change it too. And y'all guys know Lovings, y'all know my baby, and yeah, she's got her place up there. I'm gonna put in her thing, what's that, the whatever it is, you know, like I'm gonna put it on and put her on it, and then that's gonna just have like more stuff. And I'll probably get that legs out the side. I haven't decided on it, but yeah. This is me. I really want a mat there. I don't like how blank it is, and maybe I'll get one for here. I'm not sure for now, but I think I'd like to. The one from here doesn't have to be fluffy, and the one for there has to be fluffy. I'll see though. Maybe I'll get 2 side ones. I just don't know. Like I said, I'm still working on the room. This is not an apartment tour yet because I'm still so undecided about a lot of things. And my closet is not done yet. I can show you guys a sneak peek. I just took out everything and put it in there. So now, like, I see, I tried to start and then I was like, hey, no, not ready. So yeah. And then, ooh, I like this. Y'all already know this stand has my jewelry stuff and my jewelry stand, and then Sibolile name was since 1999 because that's when I was born. My vacation savings, which I spent when we went to Miami. Actually, my friend spent it, so now we're back to square one with it. And then, but it was a vacation, so it was a good one. That's what we used it for. Then I need more sprays and colognes for the room. There are some in there, but I'll just get more for there. And why not? And then I want more candles because my candles are all burnt out, which I'm not sure if they're from the last place. That will still go off, and it will go somewhere there because I need to put on like my TV there. I decided to go for a TV this year. We'll see. And then the stuff up there was LED lights that I didn't like, so they were taken out. And then I'm gonna put on my own lights there. But yeah, that's the room right now. That's it. Is that everything? Yes. And that's a little jar with my very special flowers. And then that, obviously. And then, yeah, like I already said, this plaid. But yeah, guys, like I said, this is not a full tour. Like, everything is still very plain. Y'all see, y'all know how I like my space. So when I do the tour, that's how I'm going to do the space, like how I love it. But for now, I cleaned up pretty nice. Sneak peek. This is just a sneak peek of the rest of the house, but it's not even. I'll just show you later when I'm doing the whole thing. Because for now, I want to go do my hair, you know. That's what we're trying to do right now. Since this is just an update, I am going to focus on my hair. Hope you guys liked the sneak peek, and I will show you the whole apartment once I'm really done working on it. And like, yo, guys, this took me a whole week just for it to get to look like this. So I'm really happy with myself, and I will definitely share more. I do want to. Daydream look in my eyes, and you got that red lip classic thing that I like, and when we go crash. Okay, I won't even explain it because you guys won't get it. Do you get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. I need to stop. That I like, and when we go crashing down, we come back every time. We never go out of style. We never go out of style. I got that long hair slicked back, white t-shirt, and you got that good girl faith and a tight little skirt. And when we go. But a lot is coming in store for November and December, and obviously it's the festive season. It's gonna be all nice, and I'm gonna be creating some content these 2 months. Hopefully I'll carry on like that after, but these 2 months I'm dead sure, like really serious and sure that I'm going to be creating content, and I'm so excited. I just don't like creating content for the sake of creating content for you guys, just so you have something to watch. So that's why when I'm not 100% at it, I just don't do it. And I know it's like, no, just like push through, but I'm already pushing through a lot, trust me, you guys. Like, I would rather just do it when I'm good, you know, when I'm good to do it and good to go, when I feel like it, like 100% feeling it. Because I don't want you guys watching something and I'm just like not even like interested too. But yeah, we gonna try to do this here now.